While you might want to get a jump on your New Year's resolutions, perhaps starting a new workout routine, as Dr. Kim Etheredge of Etheredge Chiropractic reminded us in July, too much too soon can cause strain on your back.
Well, I think the natural tendency in the villages is we have patients that maybe were fairly sedentary in their last location or their last home, for instance. They moved to the villages and now all of a sudden they've adopted the active lifestyle. They're playing pickleball, they're playing golf, they're jogging. I see people that run half marathons, bicycle 20 miles a day, and so that evolution of active involvement is obviously going to lead to some unfortunate problems from a musculoskeletal standpoint. Some of the conditions that we see related to overuse, everything from impingement syndrome of the shoulder, rotator cuff tendonitis, golfer's elbow, tennis elbow, which is tendonitis in the elbow. We'll see repetitive stress syndromes to the wrist, tendonitis is tendon sheath problems. Obviously neck and lower back pain from overuse, doing too many things the wrong way. Well, the tendency with the golf swing is that we torque around our spine angle. If you watch golf on the Golf Channel and golf lessons, they're talking about maintaining a good spine angle. Well, when doing that, we have to rotate our spine around that angle. And unfortunately, a lot of torque is placed on the spinal column, both on the structure itself, the skeletal system, the muscle and ligament attachment, the fascial system. So we'll see a lot of mid-back to thoracolumbar, down the bottom of the rib cage, more so than just strictly lower back pain. If we have a bad back, a bad spinal column, it affects our overall health in a variety of ways. We tend to not be as active. We are suffering from pain, so as a result, it can lead to depression. We're certainly not as active overall. We don't have the social interaction that a patient who doesn't have back pain would have. And again, because we're protecting a nervous system that controls every tissue and organ in the body, we have the chance to affect our immune system, and we tend to not be quite as healthy.
Dr. Etheredge also reminds us that strengthening our core muscles will help support the spine, bracing the vertebrae from the top of the rib cage down to the hip joints. For more information on the services and locations of Etheredge Chiropractic, click the Bad Form, Bad Back story link online at yourhometownhealth.com. And while there, you'll also find additional information for exercises that will help improve your core.